Hi everyone, it's Jamie for Not Too Shabby. I have two things to share today. The first one, I'm taking pre-orders for the new spring collection from Fawn. Super cute products. There's new stamps, dies, papers, inks. I think there's a glue pen. Amazing release. So head on over to the shop and check it out. You can use my coupon code Jamie to save 10% off your order. And I'm also offering a free gift with a $75 purchase of Fawn items. So if your order meets that requirement, pop the year 8 stamp set. It's the fortune cookie stamp set into your cart, and the price of that will be deducted from your total. Those orders will be shipping on February 22nd, the release day. So if you do place a pre-order, keep those separate because the other items will be on hold with your pre-order. The second thing is I wanted to share the new sparkle kit from the Greeting Farm. So this is a huge red rubber stamp. It's untrimmed. So you can trim it out or you can leave it as is and stamp it, especially if you have one of those large stamping like Misty's. So you just trim around each one. There's 12 images in here and 2 sentiments. So you get a lot for the value of this. It comes out to like $4 an image, plus you get the 2 sentiments, plus you can get the 10% off when you use my coupon code Jamie. So it is super cute. You get little fairies and mermaids in this. And some of them have gems and feathers. You can have really fun coloring this. I mean, I love how the cover is colored so you can have an idea. Get some inspiration on how to color these little cuties. Super, super cute. So this is under the Greeting Farm, and I'll have the link below to the Fawn section as well. If these go out of stock at the Greeting Farm, they are limited. They bring these back sometimes, but you might have to wait a long time for them to bring it back. So it's good to get it while they're in stock. So cute, and I love how they all have different hairdos. This is really great to practice your coloring. So I'll have all the links down below. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I hope you have a great weekend and enjoy the weather. It seems to be warming up a little bit. And I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.